All right, you're gonna give them that nice little cold start. Whenever you're ready. How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having a great day. So in today's video, we got the very first mod for the new Cummins. You want to tell them what it is? Because I can see you got some tools laying out here already.
Throwing the moved bumper on the 3500.
So you're taking it off of your old one and putting it on the new one.
Yep.
Should look pretty good. So we're gonna take off this old crusty bumper here and add on his big, beefy, thick with 2 C's front bumper, because the thickness hasn't changed just because the old truck was wrecked. It's still a thick bumper. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
All right, so let's get to work on taking this one off and throwing the new one on. You ready?
All right.
Let's get to it. All right, now that we got the old bumper off, what's the next step here?
Unhook them fog lights, throw the new bumper on.
Fog lights are still wired in. Just got to uncrimp them here. We can throw the new bumper on. You know, this would be a lot easier to get your bumper off if I didn't get 2 to 3 clicks on each pole. Because Paulie D's smart idea was to put it on blocks.
Don't let it slip up through something when we go to put it in place.
Yeah, because this one will go away.
All right, let's go.
That's where it does. Okay, all 3 are snugged on just till they touch. Hopefully they ain't laying on the road over there.
No, the one was in the metal console. Negative or positive?
Red's positive.
No, man, I thought that was 2 reds.
English.
2 reds.
As in Rhode Island red, rooster.
Well, I mean, you don't have to power your fancy lights.
Getting hungry. Need some McSlappies.
Some Dawns.
That 4-quarter underneath the bumper?
No!
Why not?
Because I already cooked that puppy. I don't know. I thought about it, but it ain't really. You have to be from here and here.
No, just make up a new set of brackets and bolt them on.
This ain't 2014 when lake bars are. You got 3-4 lake bars on each truck.
Well, what's the fad now?
What do you mean? Color changing.
The fogs. Oh, that's going to the light bar.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
for the light bar. These
Okay,
are for
we'll
the.
start passing them through there. problems.
So as you can see, they're working on getting all the lights wired up. And once we're done with all the wiring, I'll just jump to the end and show you guys the end result. We're still adjusting the bumper just a little bit. It's almost perfect. But once all the lights are wired up, I'll show you guys the end result, so stay tuned.
Nate, when you get up to up here, see if you can feed these white boxes underneath this AC line, because some of these AC lines get really hot. That way they're not laying on top of
AC line gets hot if AC don't even work.
But if you do get it working.
Oh yeah. Come on, technician, get it wired.
That's just plug and play under there?
Yeah, one of them plug you in and twist puppies.
Maybe you see a 1/2 wrench, open end wrench on the ground. I need to get a new bolt for here. Well, that's all stripped out.
Hey, people have missed you in the videos, Paul.
Yeah.
You missed them?
I don't miss working on the trucks.
Should tell everybody to subscribe.
Yeah, go ahead, subscribe to him. You need some viewers.
Subscribe to you too.
Yeah.
They miss you.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Here's the zip ties you requested that will match the rest of them that holds the truck together. Is that right?
Funny.
What do you plan on doing with them? Is it just holding the wires up?
Yeah.
Hey Nate. So now that you got the old bumper off and your new one on, what do you plan on doing with this one?
Selling that puppy.
You're selling it.
$100, 150 signed.
You're charging an extra $50 just to sign it.
Oh yeah.
Now, why is this one 100 if when we did the original bumper removal / install on the old truck, you only charged 50?
Well, if the channel grows, the price grows.
Oh man.
Oh.
I mean, he's right. But that's not going to say that we don't like growth on the channel, because we really do appreciate y'all. You guys should subscribe if you're not already. Tell them to.
Yep, subscribe.
Why's them chipmunks stealing our cookies? Them, the lemon cookies. The lemon cookies.
How did he smell that from all the way back here in the woods?
He was all the way back there, came up here, was circling the block, couldn't find them, jumped up on there, took one, and ran off with it. Well, we got all the wires hooked up and everything. I think it's time to shut the hood and close up shop.
Yep.
Bumper's all installed, all the lights work.
Check on the lights. You got your remote with you?
Testing the lights right now. Light bar's on. Light bar off. Gonna test the pods now. Outer pods are on. Inner pods are on. Off. And got those fancy effects going on. Alright, don't blind the camera now.
What colors? Where's the green at?
Why you like the green so much?
I don't know.
It matches your shirt.
Yeah, that's it. Green is money.
Green's money. But you won't be saving any money with this truck, right?
As long as he keeps the wheels on the road.
Yeah.
I'm gonna run them like that, huh?
Blue and a red. What are you farming? I didn't know you could change them individually.
Alright guys, that's going to conclude our bumper install, but we almost forgot. We promised you a cold start, so we're going to do that real quick. So let's jump to the cold start right now. Alright, you go and give them that nice little cold start. Got the key in, let me head to the back. Fuel pump kicking in. Whenever you're ready. Sounds pretty good. Sounds pretty good. You can smell it too.
Wait a minute, it'll be a smoke clip.
He said wait a minute so you can see the smoke coming. You gonna give him a few revs? Just gotta let her warm up a little bit. We're good. Give him a few little revs. wasn't lying. You're smoking me out back here. Hey, now you can have Johnny put his face in there and he'll really get covered.
Yeah.
Where's he at?
Riding dirt scooters today.
Hopefully you can hear us over the loud truck. All right, shut her down. Yeah.
Who that now?
Who's that now?
Who's that now?
Who's that? Someone's driving in. Is that Ken?
Howdy. Howdy.
Random. He heard the diesel. He's a Chevy boy. He wanted a Cummins.
Yeah.
Heard the Cummins. Time to upgrade, Chevy boy. Okay guys, I think that's gonna wrap up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're not already, please be sure to subscribe for future diesel content on this truck. Got a lot of mods on the way, and with our other vehicles as well, so stay tuned for that. Any comments?
Appreciate it, boys.
Yep. Thanks for watching as always. Please like and subscribe. It really shows us some love, and we appreciate the support. So I guess we're just gonna end it with the usual. Always accelerate and don't look back. Catch you guys on the next one.